Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified for every new video. Hi friends, welcome back to Gadgets India. I'm your host CK, and in this episode I'll do the unboxing and share the review of Taotronics 20-watt stereo Bluetooth speaker, and I'll also do the comparison between this one along with the previous Bluetooth speaker which I have done the unboxing, which is Pipel S5, which also has 20 watt of sound driver. The packing looks nice. There are some transient damage leading to this kind of situation of the pack, but overall it's good, premium. On the top it is showing the picture of the speaker, which looks more premium and compact. It is heavy. This side, technology enhances life. The model number, it says TTSK06, Taotronics branding. On the back side, portable stereo wireless speaker, and on the bottom it shares the site for all the customer support for different region, and also there is this QR code for Taotronics. Upon unboxing, you will find the following content inside the box. This is the speaker. You get USB to micro USB charge cable, 3.5mm audio jack, and this user manual which is multilingual, and it shares the information regarding the speaker, the specifications, and other control how to manage the speaker. The speaker is very compact. Considering the power output of 20 watt, it is compact. It is purely made up of aluminum alloy, brushed aluminum surface. Looks more premium as compared to all the speaker unboxing I have done. This is a single sheet of aluminum which is being folded in a U shape, and the speakers are there. There are two audio drivers in this side, and two passive bass radiated on both the side, one in this side, the other one in the back side, and there are perforated grill on the top. This is the control panel. This is the power switch. This is the volume up or next track, volume down or previous track. This is multifunction button like play, pause, call, receive. On the bottom, this is rubber, and it says Taotronics branding along with the model number. Power input required is 5 volt, and it has a 1000 mAh battery. That's in a nutshell. It is having decent weight, approximately 850 gram of weight this one is having. Let's connect it to the smartphone and see the audio quality. In your smartphone, it gets connected as Taotronics TTSK06 connected. Now I'll play some track to share the audio quality. Please use your headphones for better clarity.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As you saw, the audio quality is very good. The bass is punchy, but still, to get the comparison with Pipel, I'll share the audio of Pipel S5 and do the comparison between these two to share which is the best speaker in terms of 20 watt power output. One thing to share, this one costs $50 and this one costs less than $35. So on a price war, this one is a clear winner. And in terms of power output, it has 20 watt of power output. It also has 20 watt of power output. It has 1000 mAh of battery, whereas it has 4000 mAh of battery, and it can recharge your smartphone. But the main function, the audio test, that will reveal which is the best speaker in terms of the sound quality. Here is the comparison between the audio quality of these two speakers.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As you saw in the video, the audio quality in both the speakers are a little different. The bass and the lows are very good in terms of Taotronics, and the overall loudness of the sound is good in case of Pipel S5. But in terms of playback duration, this one lasts for 6 hours, but the Pipel lasts for 10 to 12 hours, as because it has a 4000 mAh of battery, and you can use this to charge your smartphone in case your smartphone battery runs out of juice. But the look and feel of Taotronics is more premium, and it gives good aesthetic value to your table or wherever you will keep this one as compared to Pipel S5. At the end, you have to make the decision about going for which speaker, because this one will be $50 and this one will be less than $35. So there is a huge price difference in terms of both of these speakers, and also the features and the functional benefits which you get out of it. Thanks for watching this episode of Gadgets India. For more of such episodes, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and while subscribing, please press the bell icon so that you will be notified for every new video we upload. Have a good day.